Hey friends, a lot of users have been asking whether they can have multiple toolbars in Windows 11. So the clear answer is no, you cannot, because this functionality has been removed. So you can only have one taskbar on your system and not multiple toolbars. This was available in earlier versions of Windows, but it is not available now. And yes, there are third-party tools like Tray Toolbar or System Tray Menu, so you can use them if you want to, but their functionality is limited. Personally, I did not find them useful, so that is why I'm not reviewing them here, because Windows does not allow a lot of functionalities. So even if you use a third-party software, you won't get what you need. An alternative is pinning folders using File Explorer, which is not similar to Toolbar, so I do not put it in the same category either. Basically, the simple answer is no, you cannot. I'll write it here. You cannot have multiple toolbars on Windows 11. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.